Tesla is moving forward with plans to launch a semi-autonomous ride-hailing service in California, though the process involves navigating layers of regulatory approval. The company submitted an application to state authorities in late 2024 for a permit allowing passenger transport in vehicles owned and operated by Tesla, with employees as drivers. While the service would initially be free for users, it appears to function more as a testing phase for broader ambitions rather than a revenue-generating model. Approval would mark a step toward applying for another permit enabling fully driverless operations, though bureaucratic delays highlight the challenges of scaling such initiatives. Similar efforts are underway in Austin, Texas, where regulations are less restrictive, with hints that limited operations could begin as early as this summer. Recent drone footage from Tesla's Texas facility revealed modified Cybertruck prototypes equipped with steering wheels and pedals, deviating from earlier concepts of wheel-free autonomous vehicles. This aligns with reports of Tesla hiring remote operators to oversee driverless systems, mirroring strategies used by competitors like Waymo. The latter recently partnered with Uber to offer limited Robotaxi services in Austin, though Tesla has emphasized its intention to operate independently rather than collaborate with third-party platforms. In China, the rollout of Tesla's full self-driving software has generated significant attention, with videos showcasing its ability to navigate complex urban and rural environments. However, the system's strict adherence to local traffic laws remains inconsistent. Some drivers reported accumulating multiple fines during single trips due to the software entering bike lanes or executing illegal maneuvers. These issues may stem from limitations in training data, as Chinese regulations restrict exporting road data, forcing Tesla to rely on publicly available footage rather than real-time fleet insights. Despite these hiccups, the launch has boosted Tesla's visibility in the market, with executives eyeing expansions into Europe pending regulatory approvals. Meanwhile, organized opposition to Tesla has intensified globally, with protests targeting showrooms and infrastructure. A group calling itself Tesla Takedown has coordinated demonstrations in over 50 locations, ranging from non-violent rallies to acts of vandalism. Incidents include shattered showroom windows, arson attacks on charging stations, and physical assaults on Cybertruck owners. In response, Tesla has increased security at some locations, while owners continue documenting vandalism via built-in cameras. Elon Musk recently addressed shifting public perceptions of him during a podcast appearance, attributing criticism to media narratives rather than personal changes. This sentiment comes amid escalating tensions, with Tesla's innovations and corporate decisions increasingly polarizing public opinion. As the company pushes forward with autonomous technology, balancing regulatory compliance, technical refinement, and public relations remains a complex challenge.